Hello you guys, so today I will be doing an Amazon wig review. This is a 4x4 closure curly wig. I have the link in the description box below. So I'm just starting off with the ball cap method, where you spray the got to be glue and you just dry that. Here's a closer look of the bag. It was so pretty. It was like a plastic bag kind of, but it was built like a satin bag. And here's all the things that came in it. And so now I'm just showing you guys the texture of the hair. It was super soft, super pretty, super bouncy. It was just full and everything that it needed to be. Okay, and that's the scalp. It was too light, and I should have bleached this unit, but I didn't. I just put makeup and it seeped through. I had to put mascara on it, and I just should have bleached it. But here I am cutting. This is trial and error here, so I'm not a perfectionist. This is actually my first time doing this, but yeah, make sure that you spray right above your hairline, like right before your hairline, and make sure your scissors that you're cutting with are not dull like mine. We're learning here. I just bought a pack of razors and I do not know what I did with it, so I just had to use what I had. But it's only a 4x4, so I really didn't need my sides to be laid down. I just needed like the middle of my head to be laid. And so now I'm just gonna put makeup on where my part is gonna be, and we're just putting on the wig to see how it's looking. I put the cones on the side, and here's how it's looking. It's giving me something, It's getting there. We're getting there. But this wig was super pretty. I'm not even gonna hold you. So just get my wax stick. I'll put this in the description box as well. And then you want to put your hot comb to that, and it'll just give you the sleekest, prettiest results. Like whoever came up with this wax stick and hot comb combo was onto something. Okay. It gets your hair laid. I didn't even pluck this unit. It might have came pre-plucked because it doesn't have that full hairline. So I'm just using got to be glue in a black bottle and some spritz. And I'm gonna put about 2 layers of that and blow dry it. I'll place my wig where I want it to be on my head. Hold that down. You also want to blow dry it after that. Put your spritz on and blow dry. And make sure you have a skinny tooth comb to comb out your hair, so your hair won't be stiff from the spritz. And again, here is this beautiful hair, baby. I ain't even put no product on it. Here we go though. So I'm just putting water on it right now, and then I'll put my foam. It's my Lotta Body foam. It doesn't have any alcohol in it, so you can also lay your baby hairs with this and your lace will not come up. I didn't do baby hairs on this unit because I'm new to this. I'm not true to this, so I just kept it simple this time. But I may try baby hairs on my next install, but I didn't here because I was like, it's looking like something, so I'm gonna just stop right here. It's little to no shedding, and I'm just scrunching my hair to get that curl definition popping. And onto the other side. This foam really gets the curls defined. But if you want your curls to not get poofy after a while, I do have a tutorial on a combo that you can use. I think it's the Julia hair headband wig video. So after I took the scarf off, it was real white at the front, and I saw the flakes in my hair, so I knew it was my makeup. It had to be, nothing else. But eventually we got it together, honey, and this is my first install. And so yeah, to get rid of the whiteness, you guys, I just got my 91% alcohol and just dabbed it on as best as I could. Y'all let me know if y'all think this was a fail or what for my first time installing a wig. Let me know, because girl, I feel like you can still see the little white line up there. I don't know. Shouldn't nobody be in my head anyway like that, but y'all tell me what y'all think. Please Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below. And of course, subscribe for more content. I will be getting more and more practice in because I do have a couple more hair reviews to do on some wigs that I have to install. So just stay tuned for that, you guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you later. Her name is Tattoo Curls. And peace.